We all have our favorite 2, 3 tracks, and Monza is my favorite, for example. And would be amazing to bring our real F1 circuits to life in our house. Well, that's what Turbo Print Labs does with these amazing 3D LED circuits. Let's get into the review. This is in particular the Monza 2019 special edition. Monza 2019 was the first ever race I watched. I'm Italian, and that was absolutely amazing to see the Ferrari win in his own Grand Prix. And from that moment, obviously, Monza 2019 still the best race for me that I ever watched, to be honest. So much, I don't know, emotions and etc. going on. In fact, in 2019 in Monza, Charles Leclerc won in front of Ferrari's fans, and yeah, just triumphed in Monza again after the last time was 2010. So it was just a very, very special moment for the Italian fans, for the Ferrari, or for Scuderia Ferrari fans. In the stands, there was only one color, and it was the red. The Tifosi went absolutely crazy watching from home, much in particular on the Grand Prix itself. It was just pure magic. And now let's talk obviously about the product itself. As you can see, it is crafted with an amazing vibrant red. Obviously, as I was talking before, the red is very special in Monza, and so it is just amazing. They made it red. The track is printed with high quality techniques of 3D printing. As you can see, there are LEDs in the background as well, which you can completely adjust in your likings with the ZENGEE app. I will leave you the link in the description to download the app as well. Obviously, the link to it as well. And if you want to get these with a 20% off, use the code Minghe at the checkout. They don't have only these product on their store, but it is the most beautiful and the best one. I think it's really lovely. These lights, by the way, that you see really make you feel the sense of speed that is going around the track, like in a qualifying lap or in a full race. You can see that the drivers are basically racing even in your house. It's just amazing to see that. Talking about the frame, how good it is it low quality? Well, I don't think so, because it fell to me already too many times. I have this from like 2-3 weeks. It fell off like 10-15 times for some reason. I'm sorry, but it's still perfect. So I think it's really approved. By the way, the dimensions, if you want to know them, are 27 centimeters by 27 centimeters, or a square basically, and then 8 centimeters for these. By the way, I want you to notice that there are some stuff here. Actually, as you can see, location is Milan, obviously, that is near Monza. First Grand Prix was held in 1950. Is the only track with Silverstone that is holding a Grand Prix since the first year. With Formula 1, number of laps are 53. As you probably know, circuit length is 5.7 kilometers. And I did all of them. In 2023, I did the vlog. And it's just so good to being 2 times in Monza, 2023 and 2024. Then to just have this piece in my house also. The first race I've ever watched was Monza 2019. So Monza is a very special track for me. And only for you, as you can see, there is also this very cool, I don't know if you can see, I think so. Maybe? For this? Please? Minghe right here. So it's really amazing that they basically customized it for me. As you can see, there are also the names of the corners. So Parabolica, La Roggia, Lesmo, Ascari is just so good quality. Just so amazing. So right at this point of the video, you might wondering, where should I use it? Where can I use this? Well, I think everywhere you just want to add a bit of Formula 1 in your rooms. For example, in my room, that is also my studio. I added this, and it just looks so good. You probably saw in the lives in these days on Twitch, but you can obviously put them wherever you want. Just if you're a Formula 1 fan, I think it's just an amazing product. Also, I think if you arrived at this point of the video because your best track, your favorite track isn't Monza, well, there is no problem. They make all the 24 Formula 1 tracks in the calendar. There is Monza and Suzuka at this moment, but if you want another track that is in the Formula 1 calendar, you can already pre-order on their website. The shipment time are very very fast to be honest, in around 7 to 11 days. Just also fast to be honest. One last thing, if you want to power these, you might wonder, how do I power it? There is a USB that you can plug into with an adapter like this, for example. You just connect this here, then into your electricity of your house, or you can as well plug in into your power bank. So it's always on. You hide the power bank behind and you put it somewhere in your house and it just looks so clean, so good. So to recap a bit everything, what you will get, a custom LED circuit like this one, or with your favorite truck. There is Suzuka, as I said, but you can pre-order the other ones. Also, you will get these amazing LED effects. It's very premium to be honest, and there is nothing. There is really nothing like this on the market. So it's a very new project, a new concept also of F1 decoration, and I'm so happy that they chose me to start this sponsorship and to promote this for the first ever time. So happy. Thank you again to Blueprint Labs for sponsoring this channel. And obviously, if you want to buy these, make sure again to use my code Minghe for 20% off on the checkout. Well, actually, for this video was all. Thank you so much again to Blueprint Labs. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching. See you next time. See you in the lives. See you in the contents. And as always, it's been a pleasure. Cheers.